Welcome to our in-depth review of United Federal Credit Union, a financial institution that serves a wide range of customers across the United States. United Federal Credit Union offers various services, including savings accounts, checking accounts, loans, and credit cards. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know before you decide if it's the right choice for your banking needs. Let's start by reviewing their terms of service in detail. When it comes to banking, understanding the fine print of terms of service is essential. With United Federal Credit Union, the first thing to note is their membership eligibility. To open an account, you must be eligible to join the credit union, which is typically based on your location, employer, or family members who are already members. Once you're eligible, you'll be able to access their wide array of financial products and services. United Federal Credit Union offers several benefits, including competitive interest rates on savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. However, like many financial institutions, they charge fees for certain services. For example, there may be fees for overdrafts, account maintenance, and ATM usage outside of their network. It's important to read through these fees carefully, as they can quickly add up if you're not aware of them. In terms of customer service, United Federal Credit Union has received both positive and negative reviews. On one hand, many members appreciate the personalized service and the helpfulness of the staff, particularly when it comes to resolving issues with accounts or loans. On the other hand, some customers have complained about slow response times or difficulty getting support when they need it. Another feature to consider is United Federal Credit Union's online banking platform. It offers a solid range of features, such as mobile check deposit, bill pay services, and access to account balances. However, some users have found the website interface to be a bit outdated compared to other modern banking apps. Let's now turn our attention to the various costs associated with using United Federal Credit Union. As mentioned earlier, while they offer competitive interest rate on loans and savings, certain fees can take a toll on your wallet. For example, their checking account might come with a monthly maintenance fee if you don't meet the minimum balance requirement. Additionally, you should be aware of fees for non-sufficient funds, wire transfers, and paper statements. When it comes to loans, United Federal Credit Union is known for offering lower than average interest rates. Whether you're looking for a mortgage, personal loan, or auto loan, the rates are typically competitive with other credit unions and banks. However, make sure you read the full terms and conditions before signing up to ensure that the loan terms fit your needs. Now, let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of United Federal Credit Union services. One of the key advantages is the personalized, member-focused service they provide, which is a hallmark of credit unions in general. They also offer some great savings products and loan options with lower rates. On the flip side, their fees can be higher than expected if you're not careful, and their online banking platform could use an upgrade for a more seamless experience. Overall, understanding the terms of service for United Federal Credit Union is crucial before committing to their services. Make sure you review their fees, membership eligibility, and available financial products to see if it aligns with your needs. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you found it helpful.